Hi, here we will discuss about four queens problem by constructing the state space tree in backtracking method. The chessboard is given for the four queens, four number of rows and four number of columns. Then the criteria is here explicit criteria. We have to place the ith queen in ith row and any one of the column. That means first queen should be placed in the first row but any one of the column. Okay, column can be four options: first column, second column, or third column, or fourth column. Like that, second queen can be placed in the second row but any one of the column. So like that we can use this criteria. And another one criteria is here implicit criteria. No two queens can be placed in same row or same column or same diagonal position. So based upon that, here four queens are given to us. Then we will start to construct the state space tree. So here I am initiating the state space tree. So here I am starting with the node 1. Okay, then I am placing the queen 1 in the first column, right? So then here when I am placing the queen 1 in the first column, this branch is leading to the second node. Okay, then here after this, now I am going to explore the node 2. Before exploring the node 2, I have to check any other queens are there or not. But as of now, we are having only one queen in this construction of the state space tree. Then you explore the node 2 for placing the remaining queens. Now based upon that, here I am selecting the second column for the queen number 2 because first column is already selected for the queen 1. Okay, then I cannot select this column. That's why I am ignoring the first column for the queen 2. Then I am selecting the second column. In the second column, right, I am placing the queen number 2, right, in the second row, right? Then now I am checking both queens are in same row or not. That is important thing. So here you look at that second queen is placed in second row and second column. The first queen is placed in first row, first column. Based upon this condition, first queen is placed in first row, column is first column. Okay, so that's why 1 comma 1. Like that, here you see the second queen is placed in second row. That is compulsory. Okay, that is the criteria here. Second queen is placed in second row, but it is placed in second column. That's what the position is 2 comma 2. Now we are taking this one is I comma j, and this one is taken as a 2 comma 2. That means k comma l. Now you apply that criteria, implicit criteria. Here same row and same column and same diagonal. We should not use that. How do you identify that? So I equal to k. If it is the case, then we can say both are in the same row but both are different, so rows are different. Then I am checking the columns. Okay, so 1 is the j value, 2 is the l value, so both are different, so both are available in different columns. Then check the diagonal position. You see this is 1 comma 1, this is 2 comma 2, right? So both are in diagonal. So what is the formula? I minus k equal to j minus l. Okay, so both values are substituting here. I is 1, j is here k is 2. Like that, here j is 1, then k l is 2. So when you are substituting, both are equal, then we can say both queens are in same diagonal. So here we cannot place the queen in 2 in the second column. Okay, then we have to terminate this path. Okay, we have to terminate this path, then apply the backtracking. All right, so we have to go back to the node number 2. Then what is another option for the queen 2? So 2 is already selected, second column. Then another option, three options are there for the 2 second queen. Okay, so one is second column, another one is third column, another one is fourth column. Why did we didn't select the first column? Because queen 1 already placed in the same path first column. That's why we did not select the first column. Okay, based upon the implicit criteria. Now I am selecting for third column for the queen number 2, which is leading to node number 4. Again you apply that criteria, is it in the same row or not. So now we have to select that index value I equal to 2, then j equal to 3, right. So here based upon this, now we have to check the index value. I am taking this one is the k comma l because this is second queen, this one is the first queen already we placed in the first column of the first row, right. Now we check the condition, same row or same column or same diagonal, right. Here the I value and k value both are different, okay, so which are in different rows, and here j value and l value both are different, so both are in different columns. Then check the diagonal check here I minus k here, and j minus l, okay. So based upon that, here we are going to check the diagonal position. When you are substituting the position of I comma k and j comma l, you are getting the values here. uh, I is given as a 1, k is 2, right, then j value is 1, l value is 3. So you see you are getting a different values, so both are in not same diagonal. Now we can place the queen 2 at the position 2 comma 3. So initially 1 comma 1 is having queen 1, then 2 comma 3 is having the queen 2, okay. Then now explore the node number 3 to place the queen in some position which is having now two options. One is here uh, uh, one first column is having the queen 1, third column is having the queen 3, then second column and fourth column, two possibilities are there. Based upon that, here now I am going to select the second column for the queen 3. So queen 1 is placed in the first column, right, 1 comma 1, queen 2 in the 2 comma 3, right, queen 1, queen 2. So now queen 3 is selecting second column, right. Yeah, is it possible or not, we have to apply that criteria, right, based upon the index values. Now this becomes first queen, this becomes the second queen for this neighbor queens. I'm selecting this is the I comma j, this one is the k comma l. So based upon that, I'm going to check that both are in the same row. So I value is here 2, here 3, not in the same row. Then here j value is 3, l value is 2, so both are not in the same column. Then check the diagonal position. So diagonal position here for checking I minus k equal to j minus l. When you are substituting the values, we are getting both are 1. So you see both are in the same diagonal, right, queen 2 and queen 3. Based upon the formula itself, we are getting in the programming. Then we cannot place this queens in this 2 comma 3 and 3 comma 2. So 3 comma 2 has to be changed. So here what we have to do, terminate this path. We are terminating this path. Then apply the backtracking. We are going back here, backtracking. Then now explore the node number 4, where another possibility, that is this one queen 2 3 can be placed in the third option, I mean third column, okay. So now based upon that, here I'm going to select the not third column, here third column already taken for the queen 2. So fourth column, we are selecting the fourth column for the queen number 3 from the node number 4, okay. So based upon that, after placing here I am checking both are in the same row, right. So, here I value is 2, k value is 3, not in the same row. Then I value is 3, j value is 3, l value is 4, not in the same column. Then diagonal check, we are substituting the values of I, k, j, l. You are getting 1 equal to 1, so both are in the same diagonal. Here also we cannot place the queen, right. So now we have to terminate this path. I am terminating this path. Then apply the backtracking. So I am applying the backtracking. Then node number 4 has to be explored again, but here all the possibilities are completed. So queen 1 taken first column, queen 2 taken third column, queen here 3 has taken fourth column. Okay, right? So here second column also checked, so all possibilities for the fourth node is checked. Okay, only two possibilities, then it is also not possible. So here we have to go back again from this position. Okay, we have to go back to the node number 2 for checking another possibility. Here when in this position the node is 2 is having one more option, right? So in this position first column is completed for the node number 2, second column queen 2, second column is there, third column is there, fourth column is there. Now these two are completed, so fourth option is there. Now we can check the fourth column for the queen number 2, right? So which is leading to node number 7. Once it is done, then we have to check the same column, same row, same diagonal check, right? So when you are checking the index for the queen number 2, 2 comma 4, right? Second row, fourth column, that is the meaning of 2 comma 4, right? So now we are checking either both are in same row or same column. So both are not in the same column and the same row, then diagonal check. Okay, when you are substituting the I comma k and j comma l, if both are not in the same diagonal, so we can place the queen 2 at the 2 comma 4. After that, here now we can explore the node number 7. Okay, explore the node number 7. Here node number 7 for placing the node queen 3 at here. This is having two options. One is already selected, fourth column is selected for the second queen, then queen 3 can be placed in either third column or another option is second column or third column. So two options are there. Now I am checking the 3. Okay, queen 3 for 3 comma 2, right? So here I am checking the queen for 3 comma 2, positioning in 3 comma 2. After positioning in the 3 comma 2, here actually in this place queen 3 is placing at 3 comma 2. Okay, now at the 3 comma 2 when you are placing, then give the index values I comma j, j comma l. So here this will become I comma j, this will become k comma l. Now when you are substituting the values, right, which both are not in the same diagonal, then you can place the queen number 3 in the second column. Okay, so after that, here we are going to explore the node number 8 for placing the queen at any one of the columns. So queen 4 here having only one option. First column is selected for the first queen, for second queen is fourth column is selected, for third queen second column is selected. So 1 4 2 is selected, only remaining is third column. For queen number 4 we can select the third column, so that's why here we are going to select the uh, fourth queen at third column. Only one option is there. Now explore the node number 8 for that. So queen 4 is placed in the third column. Then what is the diagonal position for this one? When you are checking the diagonal position, so it is equal. Okay, so this queen, okay, 3 comma 2 and 4 comma 3 both are in the same diagonal, so we have to terminate this path. So we have to terminate this path. Now apply the backtracking. So it is going back to node number 8, right? So here this options, all the options are already completed in this node number 8, only one option. So again we have to go back to the node number 7. That's what we are doing here. Again we are going back to node number 7. At this position you see already queen number 1 is in first column, queen number 2 is in fourth column as of this one. Now queen number 2 is backtracking. Okay, 3 okay, queen number 3 is backtracking, so it is removed from the second column. Okay, queen number 3 is removed from the second column. So we have to search the new space for the queen number 3. What is the option? One more option is there. Okay, that option is here third position, right? Third position we are checking here by placing the queen number 3. Here we are placing in the chessboard, is it same row or same diagonal? When you are applying the formula, right, which is saying that which is available in the diagonal to the queen number 2. So queen number 2 and queen number 3 both are in diagonal. You look at the structure here. So we have to terminate this path. It is not a valid path, so we are terminating this. Then again you have to go back, apply the backtracking. So going back, right, to the node number 7. In the node number 7, you see here, is there any other option? Options are over. You look at that. First column is selected, then fourth column is already completed, and here the third column already, second column is checked already, and third column also checked already. So options are over. Again apply the backtracking, going back to node number 2, right. So now, as of now, the queen number 2 is also removed and queen number 3 also removed. Only queen 1 is in the option column 1. Then here the node number 2 also, all the possibilities are checked. Okay, so here queen number 3, second queen, third column, this one is checked, and this is for queen number 2, fourth column. So second column, third column, fourth column, all are checked now. So again going back to the node number 1. Then for the node number 1, we are checking the option. What is another option? Queen 1 can be placed in the second column. Okay, first row, second column. So as per that, here we can explore that. Okay, so now first row, second column, we are placing the queen number 1. Then it is leading to the node number 11. Then now explore the option. Again we are starting from initial stage, right? Am I right? So another option. Now we are exploring the node number 11 for placing the queen number 2. Three options are there. Okay, it can placed in the first column, or it can be placed in the third column, or it can be placed in the fourth column. First we are checking with the first column, queen 2, right? Then check, right, a diagonal, same row, same column, right? So here I value and k value both are different, so different column, different row. Then j value, l value both are different, so both are in different columns. So after this, now I am checking the diagonal check. Okay, so for diagonal check, and I am checking. So here queen 2 is placed in the 2 comma 1. Okay, second row, first column. You see structure is diagonal. The calculation also showing this is available in diagonal. So terminate this path. I am terminating this path. It is not possible. Then apply the backtracking. So I am applying the backtracking, again going back to the node number 11. So first option is over. Okay, terminating the path. Then what is the second option? Third column. Okay, so here queen 2 cannot be placed in the first column. Then third column I am checking, is it possible or not? When you are checking that, here for the third column, right, so index values we are checking, it is in the different row and a different column, and check the diagonal position. So here queen 2 is placing for 2 comma 3, this position. So structure wise it is diagonal, calculation wise also it is showing diagonal. So terminating this path, it is also invalid path. Then apply the backtracking again. So I am applying. So explore the node for another option. First option is over, third column also over, fourth column, check the fourth column. So now I am checking the fourth column for the node number 11. So here it is checking. Then apply the same row, same column, same diagonal checking. When I am checking that by substituting the values in formula which is available in different rows. So here q2 is removed from this position. Then we are placing the q2 in the fourth column. Okay, so now as of this, queen 2 is placed. Right, now explore the node number 14 for placing the queen number 3. Right, what is two options are there for the 14, right? So queen 2 is placed in the fourth column and queen 1 is placed in the second column. Two remaining options are column number 1, column number 3. Right, we will check with column number 1 for the queen number 3. So when you are checking, then index values we are checking for the diagonal check, both are available in different, I mean which one? This one, queen number 2 queen number 3, both are available in different thing. So this queen number 3 is placed in the third row first column, okay, 3 comma 1, right? Then now you explore the queen, node number 15, okay, for placing the queen at 4 comma 3, right? Because why we are selecting the 4 comma 3, what is the option available here? Already we used the second column, already we used the fourth column here, and we used the first column. Only remaining column is fourth column, okay, in the structure. So we are selecting the fourth column for the fourth queen, right? So when you are selecting the fourth column for fourth queen, then automatically then you will place the queen the at fourth column. We will check the structure. In this structure, you see fourth queen is placed in the third column based upon the options available for the node number 15, because first column is selected for the queen 3, fourth column is selected for queen 2, second column is selected for queen 1. So only one option is there. So queen 4 is placed in the third column, right? So now I am checking the structure. You see first queen, second column, fourth column is for second queen, first column is for the third queen, now third column is for the fourth queen, right? Now I am checking the same row, same column, same diagonal, both are not in the same diagonal. When you are substituting the values, you will get this. So all the queens are not in the diagonal, not in the same row, not in the same column. So all queens are placed in the position second column, fourth column, first column, third column for respective queens 1 2 3 4. Then now you can stop the algorithm because you found the solution. So like this you can construct the state space tree to find out the solution for 4 queens problem, right? Thanks for watching.